आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम. My name is Arvind Kannaujiya and I warmly welcome you on my channel The Develop Mind. In today's video, I'm going to teach you one simple trick that you can use to become fluent in English by spending just 10 minutes a day. The best part about this is you don't need any partner. You can do this by yourself. This is a technique that has worked for me and so many other people as well. So if you do what I tell you in this video, I guarantee that you will become more fluent in English in very short period of time. So what is that technique? Let's talk about that. This technique known as JAM, which is short for just a minute. It has two stages. Here's how you follow it. In stage 1, you are going to talk about a topic for 1 minute. That is, you are going to give a speech without any preparation. So you just pick a topic. You can either take general topic like sports, hobbies, friends, or book, etc. Or you can choose a question. For example, what is your favorite mode of transport? And once you have topic, you speak. And when you do, there are some rules. The first rule is you cannot stop speaking. You must talk for the full minute. If you have to pause to catch your breath, it's okay. But you cannot pause more than 3 seconds. Even if you say something nonsense or you say something unrelated to the topic, it doesn't matter. You are just going to keep talking. So that's rule number 1. The second rule, you cannot repeat the same ideas. That means you cannot just say the same thing over and over again. It's not a pronunciation practice, it's a fluency development. So no repetition of the same ideas. And rule number 3, there is no writing. You cannot make any note while you are speaking. You must only concentrate on your speaking. These are just 3 rules. So to begin, you need a timer. For example, this can be in your smartphone. You start speaking by starting the timer and speak until the 1 minute is reached. I'm going to give you an example of how to do this. I'm going to take this question, what is your favorite mode of transport? I'm going to speak for 1 minute on this topic. Now, I haven't done any preparation, so let's see how I do. Okay, what is my favorite mode of transport? I would have to say that it's bike riding. I prefer to choose bike riding rather than choosing bus or train for the transportation. I especially enjoy the most on the bike riding with my wife. You can see that I'm really struggling for the ideas but can't stop. I have to keep going and I'm saying whatever comes to mind. That's no problem. But back to the topic. We get to see lots of wonderful places when we take a long journey on the bike. And the best part is we can take any halt. We can take halt wherever we want. So, and we cannot do that when we travel in the bus or train. Oof, that was hard, but that's okay. That was the whole point of this exercise. So this was stage 1. Now we are going to move to stage 2. Here we are really going to start building our fluency. The first part of stage 2, making note. So now you can use paper and pen. And you are going to think back to speech you just gave and collect ideas. Write down the whole speech and again you have to speak. Speak until timer hit 1 minute and stop. This time you would notice you are not struggling much while speaking the way you were struggling in your first speech. This is what you have to do. Think about a topic and speak for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes or as per your capacity. And then write down the whole speech on the paper and elaborate it. And then speak again. I suggest that you make this your daily fluency workout. Do it at least once a day. Believe me, my friend, if you keep doing it, I guarantee you will become more fluent just practicing by yourself. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and share it with all your friends. I'll see you in the next video with an amazing topic. Till then, Pranam.